Yo, Brooks, Taylor, Julian Edelman, Sean Marion, Jameis, Staub, Boomer, Dan, Blaney, Julio, Chris, Tommy, Orange Cassidy, Skip, RG3, Zach, Fred, Kyle, Zed, Scott, Yo, Arian, Bruce, Will, Big Cat, PFT, Paul,
Donny,
Brandon Marshall, Zlatan, Ibrahimovic, Yo, Nick.
So, Chef Donny,
What's for lunch?
we're gonna make some cheeseburgers.
Back in Chicago, spaghetti and meatballs.
some buffalo chicken sandwich.
Eggs Benedict. I want ice cream.
Salmon teriyaki, baby.
You got a tuna melt?
Hibachi.
Steak frites.
French toast. Chicken parm.
I would love a beef Wellington this afternoon.
Donny, Donny, Donny. I want a chocolate souffle.
Today we have Chef John Donny's popular lentil soup.
You already know, man. It's some French beignets.
Sauced ribs, baked beans, and hash brown casserole.
Egg white omelet.
Biscuits and gravy. I can't wait to have your version of Skyline chili.
Fish tacos.
Chicken taquitos, I think, today.
All right, let's get cooking. Boom.
It's kind of like Batman of the burger community.
It's beautiful.
Chef Boyartrix is in the kitchen with Chef Donny. Welcome.
Air hockey day.
Look at that. Hey, what up, Frank? We're making ribs.
Make sure you don't char them up.
Bash away.
Fuck it, hey, dude.
Get a blowtorch out here.
You take out your blowtorch.
Oh no.
And I've always wanted to use one of these.
Take your torch and bang.
Good. No, good job.
Thank you. Look like clouds. Yo, what's his name?
Donny's a good-looking guy, huh?
Appreciate you, Donny. Let's make it happen.
There we go. This is fun. I like this. He's a Brooklyn guy in New York. You say when. You tell me when.
Oh, that looks good.
Tiny.
Delicious.
That's out of bounds.
It's out of bounds.
You had me at the crunch. Delicious. He's very romantic, bro.
I love you.
That's incredible.
Unbelievable.
That's fantastic.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of What's for Lunch. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.